these are more equivalency statements, and equivalency statements are our friend. So equivalency statements go like this. This amount is equal, 1 inch, this is length, right, is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Those lengths are equal. This actually actually happens to be a very important equality. These are exactly equal. So what this slide has in common with these three equivalency statements is they are all linking the metric over here on the right units with the English units. Okay, we have metric units of liters, English units of gallons, metric units of grams, English units of pounds. Okay, so you're like, well, that's wonderful. How am I how am I going to use that? And you will be using these equivalency statements and problems coming up here in the next couple of parts and still in this unit. I'm going to go ahead and draw an arrow. Anytime I draw an arrow, it's kind of like I did with the 4 metric prefixes. You need to know this one. You need to know or memorize that equivalency statement. You do not need to memorize this relationship between gallons and liters, nor do you need to memorize this relationship between pounds and grams, because those are actually approximate. All right. One more equivalency statement with regard to volume. Now this is within the metric system. Is 1 milliliter, one cute little milliliter, is exactly equal to 1 centimeter cubed. And I think we've talked about how you can take length, such as meters, in this case centimeters, length raised to the 3rd power and get a volume. So whenever you see, to me, length raised to the 3rd power, I always envision kind of the cube. In this case, I have a cube where the length, the width, I don't know if I can make this width, and the height is all 1 centimeter. Length times width times height, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter times a 1 centimeter. Get a little kind of crazy there. All my numbers, all my ones times itself 3 times, that's 1. These units here, centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, is centimeters raised to the 3rd power. So 1 centimeter cubed is kind of what I've drawn down there. So anyway, I'll go ahead and draw an arrow here. You do need to memorize this too. With regard to volume, 1 milliliter is exactly equal to 1 cubic centimeter.